Climate change is no longer some far-off problem. It is happening here. It is happening now. Is climate change real, or is it merely a fear tactic for us to get to pay attention? Even if not everyone believes in climate change, nearly all scientists agree that the Earth is warming and that humans are responsible for it. Many of the effects of climate change are already visible, including decrease in Arctic sea ice, rising sea levels, and warming of the ocean and atmosphere. People who are already marginalized are the most vulnerable to climate change. The poorest countries are expected to bear the brunt of the consequences. This video will teach you more about what climate change is, how it impacts our country and the world's economy, and what we can do as a citizen to combat climate change. What is climate change? Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns when carbon dioxide and pollutants known as greenhouse gases accumulate in the atmosphere. They absorb sunlight and solar radiation that has bounced off from the Earth's surface, resulting in global warming. Normally, this radiation would escape into space, but pollutants, which can linger in the atmosphere for years or centuries, trap the heat and cause the planet to warm. Climate scientists have now concluded that we must limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius by 2040 if we are to avoid a future in which everyday life is marked with the worst, most devastating effects of climate change, namely extreme droughts, wildfires, floods, tropical storms, and other disasters.
How does climate change impact our country and the world's economy? Climate change is not only a serious threat to the planet and its inhabitants, it is also a threat to the global economy. Here are some of the many ways that climate change will almost certainly impact our economy, both directly and indirectly. Agriculture, infrastructures, health and productivity, tourism, business and financial market. Here are other examples: shrinking of productivity of harvest, prices of basic necessities like food, consumer goods will rise. Fresh water will be in short supply in some areas. Diseases will spread due to higher temperatures, loss of capacity of work due to heat. In conclusion, climate change, if unchecked, is an urgent threat to health, food and supplies, biodiversities, and livelihoods across the globe, thus stirring a huge impact in our country and the world's global economy. So what can we do to combat the climate change? Here are the 10 impactful actions that we can make taken from the United Nations organization. First, save energy at home. Second, walk, bike, or take public transport. Third, eat more vegetables. Fourth, consider your travel. Fifth, throw away less food. Sixth, reduce, reuse, repair, and recycle. Seventh, change your home source of energy. Eighth, switch to have an electric vehicle. 9. Choose eco-friendly products. 10th, speak up. Our planet, our future, save the Mother Earth for the future generation.